Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is another mukbang. Eh, 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 eh. Yeah. So guys, welcome back. I showed you guys how I make my oat fufu briefly. I have a video on it, but I got a request the other day saying that I should show it. So here I am, and I showed a little bit of it. Just there's nothing serious about making oat fufu. Just add your water, hot water, add your oat flour, and then start mixing until you get to the consistency that you like. It doesn't really take time to make, about 10 to 15 minutes. And I am going to be eating it today with egusi and ogbono. Hey guys, this is a real combination. I grew up eating this combination. It is delicious. Give me egusi and ogbono anytime, any day, and I will lick my plate. Like, if you're from the Igbo side of Nigeria, you know that egusi and ogbono is a wonderful combination. Whoever came up with that idea of mixing egusi and ogbono together, you know the food, man. You know the food. Anyway guys, let's put our soup in the plate. So this is my ogbono, yeah? Look at that ogbono, guys. So I'm going to add my ogbono, and I am going to add my egusi. Everything goes in together. Hey, let's pray, because I can't possibly wait to demolish this food. So guys, it is time. Let's do what we know how to do best, guys. It is time to demolish like champions. Hey, come on board. Come and join me. Let's do it. I'm going to mix. Oh, heaven. Heaven. Come and join me. If you are Nigeria or Igbo and you have not tried egusi and ogbono, girl, where have you been? this is where today's mukbang is going to end. This was absolutely delicious, guys. I grew up eating egusi and ogbono, and it's one of a staple food in my house growing up, so I can't complain. It is super delish. Best combo ever. So this is where today's mukbang is going to end. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.